In this video, I'd like to talk to you about the methods of building trust in a negotiation. The first method for building trust is the cognitive route. The cognitive route is when you use logic, reasoning, factual circumstances such as research or statistical data or the results from an experiment in an attempt to convince someone of something, to build their belief that something will continue to act in accordance with their expectations, right? Because once again, in other videos we've defined multiple times that trust is simply our willingness to lend credence to, or our willingness to believe in, or that others will act as we expect them to act. Okay, so we trust, we believe that others will act, once again, in accordance with how we expect them to. Okay? In the cognitive realm, if we can convince someone, if we show that all the factors at play, right, all the information, all the research is convincing that someone should act in a given way, right, we trust that that person will act reasonably. Okay? Many economists are known for believing that people are rational actors in all or most circumstances. Okay? In that regard, economists tend to use a more cognitive route to convincing people of things, or once again, if you use that approach, you are using the cognitive route to make people believe that something will happen in a given way, so you are thereby building trust in them that that you are correct, or that something will happen in a given form or fashion. The affective route is more focused on emotions, right? That is your ability to recognize, demonstrate, and respond to the emotion, your own emotions and the emotions of others. Okay, someone who has high emotional intelligence may seek to build trust with another person by playing on that other person's emotions. That is, they will be able to read the emotional signals being put out. They will be able to, once again, control their own emotions and display selectively their emotions to match with, or to create some level of perceived understanding with the other person. And focusing on emotions that way, such that you both, once again, believe that there is some level of commonality of understanding as to how you believe or feel, right? Then the other person, once again, will act in accordance with that belief or feeling. Okay, so once again, cognitive route is focusing on the thought-based or logic-based approach. The affective route is focused more on the emotional approach to building trust. And lastly, I need to restate that trust is simply your belief that someone will act as you expect them to. Okay? With that being said, following a cognitive route or following an emotion-based route are two different approaches to, once again, creating that trust in someone else.